Write 9.3 times 10 to the 5 as an ordinary number. Work out 4.2 times 10 to the 6 divided by 6 times 10 to the 9, giving you an answer in standard form. So we've got 9.3 times 10 to the 5. Well, that's 9.3 times 100,000. That's what 10 to the 5 is. Remember, standard form is a times 10 to the n. A must be between 1 and 9. And the number here is an integer, positive or negative. So that means I need to move that decimal point 5 places. So that will give an answer of 930,000. 4.2 times 10 to the 6 divided by 6 times 10 to the 9. Again, with division, I like to write fractions. So it's 4.2 times 10 to the 6 divided by 6 times 10 to the 9. Now, 4.2 times 10 to the 6 I could write as 42 times 10 to the 5. That's no longer in standard form. Divided by 6 times 10 to the 9. Now 42 divided by 6 gives me 7. And then here I'm going to apply the rules of indices. The rule of indices is a to the m divided by a to the n is a to the m minus n. So I now have to do 10 to the 5 minus 9. And that will give me the answer of 7 times 10 to the minus 4. Now, if you did this on a calculator using the fraction button, it will give the answer as a fraction, and then if you press the S to D number, it will probably write it straight away in standard form for you, but perhaps this will give you a better understanding of what you're doing. Okay, so you need to remember that this number is 0.0007. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use standard form. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.